it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another really good fall Shein try-on haul. You guys love Shein try-on hauls. I love filming them for you. So this is probably going to be my last fall inspired haul from Shein. So these are all going to be kind of geared towards your Thanksgiving looks and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I had in mind when placing this order. Shein did send me these items, but like always, you guys know I'm going to be completely honest with each item. And I do have a coupon code with Shein. It's just STEPH15 if you want to get 15% off your purchase. The top that I'm wearing is actually from Shein as well. It's like this really cute little puff sleeve. I can't really wear too tight of shirts because I got my second mirror dry procedure the other day, so I need to wear stuff that's like flowy under the arms. So I thought this was really cute. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. Without further ado, this is going to be a big one, so let's go ahead and get into this haul. So this first item I have here is a sweater. This is in a size, I believe, a US large. Yes, this is in a size US large. It's this beautiful creamed little cropped knit sweater. I think it's so pretty. I love sweaters like this in the fall because you can just throw them on with anything, skirt, jeans. It's just like a good staple, and I loved the color because it was a beautiful beigey color, and it's just so nice, so stretchy, cozy, and warm. I love this. And again, another good staple sweater from Shein. What is this? I honestly forgot some of the stuff that I got, so it's nice to open it and get a little bit of a surprise. Okay, yes. So this is, if you guys watched my last Shein haul for the fall, I got that brown ribbed dress. So I went ahead and picked it up in black because I knew that in this season of the holidays, I'm going to be needing a simple knitted black dress. So I got the same one, but it's just in black in a size, I believe I got an extra large in this one. Beautiful, beautiful dress. I love it so much. It's so comfortable, it's cozy, and it's just the perfect knit little sweater to wear. And then it also comes with the belt to cinch it at the waist. This is my favorite style for all my apple shape babes. This is just stunning, and you guys know I love a good black dress, but when you can make it into a trendy sweater dress, I'm all for it. Moving on to the next item, it is a matching set, and I saw this matching set on my girl Susie Roberts. I'll link her channel down below. I saw her wearing this on Canadian Thanksgiving, and I was like, girl, you just gave me my Thanksgiving look, and I love it. So it's this beautiful two-piece matching flannel set. It looks like this, so you get the cropped little sweater. It has the oranges and browns, which I love, in a size 0XL. This is from the Curve section at Shein. I love this little cropped little flannel. It's super soft. It's very thick, so it's a nice heavy, thick kind of outfit for Thanksgiving. It's always usually a little bit cold here, so. And then it comes with this skirt. Now, the skirt's a little bit unbuttoned, but you guys get the gist of it. It is a button skirt. We have a stretchy elastic waistband in the back, same matching print. I am so totally obsessed with this. My girl Susie killed it, so I was like, I have to have this matching set. It's adorable, and I just love the colors, and I think it's just perfect for Thanksgiving. Very soft. We love. The next item we have here is a skirt. This skirt is just your typical little plaid little skirt. This is in a size US 0XL, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice navy blue with a cream little plaid print. You have a zip here, and there's no stretch in this fabric, so if you want to get this, just make sure that you do read the size chart. I got mine in a 0X. You guys know I carry all my weight in my stomach, so stuff like this that's not stretchy always makes me nervous being an apple shape, just because I do have the most of my weight in my stomach. But I love this. I love the color. Moving on, there's so much stuff in this box, you guys. Also, I've been getting requests to do a strictly accessories Shein haul, so I'm definitely going to do that very soon, so stay tuned for that if you are wanting to see more accessories and bags and stuff. So the next item I have here is part of Shein's basic stuff. So this is a 3-pack of bodysuits, all neutral colors here. So we got these all in a size 0X. It is a black long sleeve ribbed bodysuit, your basic bodysuit, clasp closure. I love these. They're stretchy, they're super comfortable, and they're really good layering pieces. So I love to pick up these basics. It's you get a pack of 3 for 25 bucks. It's perfect. I love this. So I got one in black, and then the next one is in this beautiful like nude shade. It's like a nice camel color, again, 0X. Beautiful, ribbed, super stretchy, comfortable. And then we have one more, which is kind of like in a like very cream color. So these are very much my color scheme right now. Like I'm obsessed with wearing like nudes and blacks and grays. I just love it. So I love this color. This is like a really good color for Christmas time as well, if you throw in like a nice red flannel. Super cute, really good basics. Highly recommend checking out their little basic things. I compare that with so many items that I have from Shein. Like those basics are stuff everyone needs in their closet. This next item I have is a dress, which is another one of those like Thanksgiving inspired outfits. So this is a beautiful suede zip up dress. It has like these O-ring detailing here on the straps I thought was super cute. I think I got this in a 0X. Fitting anywhere between an extra large to 0X at Shein right now. And this is what it looks like. I love this. It's this beautiful like tan suede style dress. I love this. I think this is going to be really cute for Thanksgiving. Again, I could pair like the black one underneath of those bodysuits or the nude ones. I love this. This fabric is stretchy a little bit, so if you are wondering if it has any stretch, it does. Love this. It's so soft and it's just so cute. It's just screaming Thanksgiving and all the fall vibes. So we have to get all these fall outfits together. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do. My goal is to reach 10K before the end of the year, and we're getting close, so hopefully I start posting more of these outfits over there and we will reach our goal. But moving on, so in my Shein hauls, I want to try to incorporate more everyday casual wear. I get a lot of requests for that. I just love dressing up if I can, so that's why I buy a lot of dressy pieces. But this is another one of those casual outfits. It's this beautiful like little gray cropped sweater. I love this. It's like a beautiful light gray. Since getting my mirror dry procedure, I'm able to wear gray and not have sweat stains, so we love that. I usually never would wear gray just because I was afraid of the sweat stain problem, but it's just this beautiful cropped little cute cozy hoodie, perfect for like a little rainy day with some leggings, and honestly throw on a pair of UGG boots and I'm like, fall vibes. We love. So comfortable. Love the cropped on it. It's a nice thick heavy jacket. It does have a hood on the back. Super cute. Love this. This next item is a little knit sweater in a size 0XL. It's in this beautiful red burgundy color. I love the little collar detail here. I like how it's open and it's not like closed. Sometimes with sweaters I don't like to feel like suffocated unless I'm wearing a turtleneck, but like when they just stop here and it's closed, I'm like, let's just either extend it all the way up or yeah. So when it's open like this, I love it. I think it's cute. It's a nice stretchy, super soft fabric, you guys. Really stretchy. Like you can see the stretch. So stretchy, so comfortable, so warm, cozy, all the fall vibes. Again, a really nice piece to have for Thanksgiving, just a basic sweater. The next item in here is a 3-piece lounge set, and this 3-piece lounge set I got in a gray color. So it comes with this little cropped top, which I got this in a size, this is in a size 1XL. So if you guys can see, it kind of looks pretty small for a 1X. I would say this is more like a 0X, but this is what it looks like. It's a nice soft gray color, and then you get the matching pants to go with it. They look like this, just matching high-waisted pants. They are pretty sheer, so this is definitely like a lounge piece for me, like cozy vibes, getting ready to put up the Christmas tree and do all the fall stuff. So comfortable. I love like these flowy pants like this. Just love a good lounge set. And then you also get a really nice cardigan with it. It's like a long cardigan. I love these like this because you can add these to like your everyday outfits anyways. So it's like this beautiful long cardigan. We love that. It's harder for me to show these longer pieces on camera, but you will see me try them on. The very last item I have to share with you guys is one that I'm so excited about because I've been seeing so many of these jackets online. It is a beautiful long flannel duster. I've been seeing girls wear sweatpants and then throwing this on and a sneaker in a good bag and killing it. I love it. It is a long flannel. I got this in a size extra large, and if you have never tried any of Shein's jackets, I definitely recommend checking them out this winter. They have some of my favorite jackets. Like I'm not even kidding, 90% of the jackets in my closet are from Shein. I love their jackets. They're really good quality, they're really affordable, and they're trendy as well. So I love this. It's a long flannel. I got it in like the black and like tan color because these are my colors this year. I just love this, and I love how I can button it up and leave it open. I usually wear my jackets open, but I think this is so pretty. And again, if you wanted to do just like jeans, a bodysuit, and this on Thanksgiving with a hat, so cute. And I love this. Really good quality, very thick, and it hits me at a good length, so I love that. That is going to complete everything in my fall Shein try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what was your favorite item from today's haul. I honestly can't pick what my favorite is because I love literally every single piece that I got, because fall fashion is my favorite, and I can't believe fall is like flying through. Christmas is coming, so there's definitely gonna be some more holiday inspired stuff coming from Shein. I know you guys love the Shein hauls, so do I. But yeah, that is going to complete everything in today's video. Like I said, I do have a coupon code with Shein. It's just a Steph15 to get 15% off your purchase. And I will link every single item in today's video down below in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Shein for gifting me these items. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I post videos 2 times a week here on my channel, Mondays and Wednesdays. And follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye!